Hey, this is John Young. Right now, we are looking at the three main battery-powered speakers that I have here in the office. The EVERSE 8 from Electro-Voice. We've got the Busker here from Alto, and then we have the Mackie. This is the Thump Go, the Thump 8 Go. The big question I've had: what is the one thing that stands out? Because they're all battery powered. They have different capabilities for volume and such, and that's just what they are. But what's the one thing when it comes to the sound that stands out? It's the cymbals, the highs. When you're listening to the music, the same track through all three, and I've done this with a few people here in the office to make sure it wasn't just me and my hearing. If you've got a cymbal, a ride cymbal, or if you've got a hi-hat, or if you've got a crash cymbal, you're going to hear it the best with the EVERSE 8. You're going to hear a little bit with the Busker. You're not going to hear much of any cymbals with the Mackie. Now, for anyone who's out there and saying, oh, the Mackie sounds just as good as the Electro-Voice, no, they're lying to you. Or they've never listened to them both, or their hearing is completely shot. You can take your choice. Now, the question becomes is the sound quality worth the price difference between these speakers? That really becomes a question for you and everyone to answer. Because if you're not comparing them side by side, if you're listening to the Mackie by itself, it sounds good. But if you're wanting to hear that type of thing, you're only going to hear that really well with the EVERSE 8. You're going to hear a little bit with the Busker. It's there, but it doesn't have quite the same full, rich sound as the EVERSE 8. Nice. When it comes to cymbals, not so much. Nice, really good. When it comes to output and horsepower and such, there's different things. You're basically looking at the least amount of output. When it comes to just overall sound, a little bit more and the most. But there's also a huge price difference amongst these. So you have to weigh it out. Don't be afraid of any of these. They all are really good little speakers for their application. Obviously, being a smaller speaker, it's going to have less capability as the little bit larger that have more horsepower. But if you're looking for the best in sound, you're going to go one direction. If you're looking for inexpensive but yet good, you're going to go another direction. If you're looking small, portable, with some decent sound for really small things, you're going to go another direction. That's really what you're going to be looking for. So, hey, we're going to put all the links for these in the description of this video below so you can check them out. This is John Young. Thanks for watching.